Mic test. What's up, ZIMSTIC squad? How y'all doing? So today I'm gonna be showing y'all to make an overlay like ADINROSS and ISHOWSPEED. So first of all, you're gonna go to your browser and search up the socials you want. For me, I'm gonna search up Twitter. No. First I'm gonna search up Twitch, Twitter, and Instagram, PNG. Cause I want all mines to be together. So I'm gonna search that up and find like a good one. Find a really good one. Okay, so I'm gonna go to images and find the one I'm looking for. So like you gotta find a good PNG, which here there's a lot, but they're normally not good. So you gotta find a good one, not that. So you save image to downloads. It should be saved. Then we go here. Then you see this plus. You press images. And then go to recent. I think one should be here. Now that's the other one. Wait, let me go see if I downloaded it. Save image as text red. Come on, no text. Okay. I hope I saved that. Images. All tags. Work. So right here, there it goes. You're gonna place it where you want to place it. Like I want to place mine here. So like I want it to be at the top bottom corner. You're gonna zoom out and drag it back. Zoom out again. And then place it where you want to place it. Which mine is right there. Then after that, you should go to edit. Then right here, press that. And then if you want like outlines, just make it to like a size 8, something like that. That's too much. Put it to like a size 6. You could change the color. I'll put mine to black. And press OK. Apply. After that, you will go to here, add text. And then if you want a different type of font, a downloaded font, I have a font downloaded right here. So I'll use that. Then put your channel's name, which mine is, put your social name. Mine is all the same. So I'm just put my channel's name here. Make it bigger. Change the size here. Make it bigger to wherever you would like it. Then place it there. And then let me edit it a little bit more, the color and stuff. If you want the color to be different, but I put mine as white. If you want that, you can put that, but I don't really like it like that, so you just put it, just like that, white. And then just look for somewhere good to put it. And there it goes. That's how you make an overlay for free. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Come back tomorrow. I got another video coming up. And peace. And I'm going to keep saying this. Thank you so much for 300 subscribers. You know how much I appreciate that. I'm so happy and I'm so thankful. Our next goal is to hit 500 subscribers. That's getting closer and closer to our main goal. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, but it's not done yet. I'm going to show you how to save it. So you go to File, Explore, Quick Export, Page as PNG. Because you need it as a PNG because it's an overlay. And then you press that. then boom, it's downloaded. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.